Alright, this is my 97 F-150 with a 4.2 and 4R70W transmission. It has a delay shifting from first gear to second, so as you can see right now. It takes a while to shift from first to second, so what I'm thinking, it's accumulator. The first, second gear springs, either springs or the seal. So I already got the parts. I'm gonna flush the transmission anyway, so I'm just gonna look at it, and if anything is broken there, I can change it. And another thing is like if I was to like step on the gas, it doesn't shift to second, it shifts down all the way to the first. I couldn't floor it right now, so I'll just show you. There's that delay, and it's really annoying. Like even right now, if I was to step on it just to go any faster in order to shift from third to second, it'll just go down to the first. So let me show you this. If I floor it, so it just revs up and doesn't do anything. So really, I think it's accumulator, but we'll see. Here is my first to second accumulator piston spring set. It comes with the two springs, one upper, one lower. And this is the piston and this is the cover. So we'll be changing that today along with the filter and oil. I also got a set for the second to third accumulator piston and a spring, but I'm not going to be changing this because in order to change that requires dropping the valve body and changing the gasket, and there's more parts, but I think my third gear is fine, so we're not going to be doing that. And just the regular Ford OEM filter with Mercon V oil, so should be basic, but we'll see. But before we do that, we gotta do some car shuffling. I got the truck lifted on a jack stands as well, using a jack in front, better safe. So the next thing is I'm just gonna drop the pan and try to get the oil to come on one side. This is what sucks about this part. Alright, here is my pan. There's some clutch friction, a lot of clutch friction, a magnet full of goo. I mean, it's alright, not the best, but. And then I just gotta drain the torque converter. There's a screw on it, you just gotta turn the engine until you get to it. I gotta change the filter, and then the accumulator. Alright, I turned the engine so that torque converter screw is facing down through the little opening. So I'm just gonna open it and drain it. But this is something that I discovered. Loosey goosey, righty tighty. I gotta look into this. Gotta make sure everything's tight now. I cleaned up the bottom. So next thing is accumulator. It's right there. And this is facing forward. Alright, this is what I pulled out. The white spring on top, the piston, and the spring that broke into like 3 different pieces. And then the bottom. And look, the bottom is also chewed up because of spring. Look at this one. Look what it did to the top. Alright, let's get the new parts and compare them. Alright, right here we can see new parts versus the old parts. This white spring, which was on top, is good. And this one right here, the bottom of this, the broken spring chewed up so much, so I think that's what was in the bottom of the pan. And you can actually see where it got stuck, so I gotta make sure the housing in there is not damaged either. And then the new spring, and this is what happened with the old spring. And same thing goes for this guy. The seal is a little bit messed up too. Alright, we just gotta assemble it now back. This thing came out. Everything looks good. There's no scars on the side. It's just the rubber. It's good. Alright, new accumulator is in there, the filter is in there, so I'm just gonna put a pan and add oil and see how it goes. The pan is back on there, got a nice time to the spec. Now I just gotta fill it with oil and then test drive. Alright, time to get some oil in there. So I added 6 quarts. Now I'm going to let the truck run for a little bit and then move it from gear to gear and then keep adding and then checking the dipstick. Alright, here's our first voyage after fluid. Let's see how soon it shifts. Oh, look at that, man. Shifted right away. Let's see what happens if I step on the gas. Oh yeah, look at that, 2nd gear, baby. Woo! Yeah, we fixed it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Alright, let's see. 2nd gear. Oh yeah, look at it. Look how it's holding the RPM. 3rd gear. 4th gear.